inside. Real low, yeah, we slipping like the riptide. Gotta get it. Pink pills, drop through the trapdoor. Back room, red ropes, is a little more. Cheap thrills, I got what you're looking for. You ain't seen nothing like this before. You ain't seen nothing like this before. You ain't seen nothing like this before. Come get real close, let me show you something.
Akala natin ito'y isang feeling, emosyon, pero sa dalawang mag-asawa, ang pag-ibig ay nagkakaroon ng isang malalim na kahulugan. Ang pag-ibig ay nagiging desisyon sa mga susunod na araw. Sa pagpapakasal, tanging pag-ibig lamang ang dapat na dahilan.
Hi, Mahal. First of all, I hope I be the happiest woman today. And I also want to thank God for making all of these things possible through His grace.
To my husband, PJ, it has been almost 12 years since the day we met, and nearly 11 years of being together.
11 years ago, everything started with a simple glimpse. And little did I know that it was the feeling of being in love.
Naalala ko noong elementary days, susong uso yung diary noon. Lagi kong sinusulat yung wish ko na sana yung dream guy ko will be my first and my last. You were not my dream guy back then. But God gave me you because He knew that you were the perfect one for me.
Sobrang memorable itong simbahan na ito. Saan tayo inasal kasi alam mo naman na dito tayo unang nagpunta. Yung mga panahong walang activity ng college at alam na mga parents natin nasa school na tayo.
Thank you for showing me a world more beautiful than I ever imagined, for taking me to places that became good memories, and for making every moment with you feel like home.
Thank you kasi sobrang genuine ng puso mo. Na kahit na ako yung naging dahilan ng pag-iyak mo noon, hindi ka nag-hesitate na bigyan ako ng second chance to prove myself again.
From this day forward, I vow to love you with my whole heart until my last breath.
I know that our relationship hasn't always been easy. There were ups and downs, moments that tested us, and chapters from the past that shaped who we are today.
May mga pariseyong lumapit kay Jesus at tinangkang siluin siya sa pamamagitan ng tanong na ito. Naayon ba sa kautusan na hiwalayan ng lalaking kanyang asawa sa kahit anong kadahilanan? Sumagot si Jesus, hindi pa ba ninyo nababasa sa kasulatan na sa pasimulay nilalang sila ng may kapal, lalaki at babae? At sinabi, dahil dito, iiwan ng lalaking kanyang ama at ina at magsasama sila ng kanyang asawa at sila'y magiging isa. Kaya hindi na sila dalawa kundi isa. Ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay huwag paghiwalayin ng tao.
I vow to choose you every day, even on the days that we don't fully understand each other.
I vow to choose you every single day in every lifetime and to stand by your side no matter what comes our way.
Lagi ako nagpapasalamat sa Diyos sa mga blessings na natatanggap natin sa araw-araw. At nagpapasalamat din ako sa iyo lalo sa pagiging blessings mo sa buhay ko at sa pagkatao ko. I love you, miss ko.
Wala akong tissue.
Gusto ko, happy lang lagi. Kung may problema, pag-usapan nyo lang. Pero Jeje, huwag ka mahal ka namin. Nandito lang kami ng mama mo.
I've spent almost half of my life loving you, and with all my heart, I choose to spend the rest of my life doing the same. I love you now, always, and forever. Our love story may not be perfect, but it has always been real, sincere, and unconditional. You were my first and will definitely be my last.